Hello everyone, if you're facing this error when you're trying to play Battlefield 6 or Battlefield Red Sec, please update your AMD Radeon driver. Then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix that annoying error on your computer easily. So first off, you're going to open up your web browser, you're going to search for AMD Adrenalin. You're going to go into this first link from amd.com. You're going to click on to resources here. You're going to go into drivers. You're going to click on to download Windows drivers here and download and install this software up. And once you download and install that software, it will tell you what graphics card you have and what drivers update you need to do. So you're going to open up your AMD software like this then, and then you're going to go into your settings here. Here you have the manage updates button. Click yes on here. And if there's a new update, it should come here. So there it is, guys. That's how easy it was to fix Battlefield 6 AMD Radeon driver error. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you in my next video. Peace.